Ricky, I really appreciate you joining us here at Blockshow in Las Vegas.
Thank you.
For Blockshow. Thank you so much for joining us.
Yeah, you're welcome.
I am completely fascinated personally, with blockchain and real estate.
Okay.
Would you mind introducing yourself to our viewers and introducing your company as well and what problem you're solving?
Yeah, sure. So I'm the founder of iHouse.com and also iHouse Token. So iHouse.com is a blockchain real estate platform that we are helping different real estate companies to do the blockchain with real estate solutions.
Okay.
Yeah. So our product is called ATO right now. So the full name is SS Tokenization Offering. So it's
SS
Tokenization Offering. Yeah. So it's like
it's a mouthful.
Yeah, it's a little bit like ICO. Yeah.
Okay.
But it's actually we're trying to put the real assets to tokenize, becoming a token. Okay. Yeah. So regarding this product, we have already started the operation since January, and then we have already get the first project launch in April in Japan.
Okay.
So and then by Q2, we have already launched like 3 projects in Asia.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where in Asia?
Japan, Philippines, and Thailand.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Hong Kong is a great place to penetrate, but
exactly.
all of that land
Pan Asia. Yeah. So we're based in Hong Kong.
Yeah.
But right now we are moving to US because at the beginning of this year we have already set up the US office. The first few months we are doing some research and PR, and now we are going into operation. Yeah. So that's we are launching the US office like by Q3.
Okay.
Yeah. So the version.
Where are you going to be based out of?
We have now an office in San Francisco.
Okay.
We will establish another partnership office in New York.
Okay,
yeah,
great,
so that
great.
I think one is tech and one is business.
Okay.
Yeah, so that is good. Yeah.
Very good, very good. So we were talking about the 2 products that you offer.
Yeah.
Can you explain the first product?
Okay, the first product is actually we call the iHouse ATO utility token.
Okay.
Okay, so it's tokenizing the utility rights of the real estate projects.
Okay.
For example, like hotel, commercial buildings, and like residential apartments. For example, like multifamily apartment.
So you have multiple silos. So my token will allow me to book a year in advance to a hotel.
It's one of the just like the tokenizing the utility rights of the hotel in the future. Yeah, so that you are like pre-selling just like timeshare.
Yes.
Yes,
exactly,
something like that timeshare. Yeah.
And I can do that with hotels. I can do that in an Airbnb because you have residential. Exactly. Okay, great. What other services will that allow me to engage in?
We are getting more access cards right now because we have like now we already got some resorts and hotels to come in, and then we are also getting some multifamily apartment.
Okay.
And so next stage we will got some like commercial building. Yeah, so like just like working space.
Okay.
Yeah, so that I think more and more access cards are going to tokenize their like future utility right. Okay, so this is the product we are launching in Asia. But in US it's a little bit different. That's the second product we would like to talk through. Yeah, because there's many regulation under the SEC's definition.
Yes.
Yeah, so that we need to follow the SEC's regulation.
There's a good regulation.
Exactly. Yeah, that's why we are looking into security token right now.
Okay.
Yeah, we are going to partner with different financial institutions to launch the security token platform.
Okay.
Yeah, so that I think the first project will be coming soon. Yeah, because we have already talked to many of them, and then we also will launch several partnership in US. Yeah, so I think that's a like another like product launch in US.
Are you what companies are you looking to what type of companies are you looking to partner with in the United States?
I think a lot because whoever is the real estate developer, asset owner, like real estate agents, and also financial institution, family office for the funding. Okay. Yeah, so that are many different companies we can work with.
So I sit down and I see your token.
Yeah.
And I want to get involved in this. And I love real estate. I'm a real estate broker, let's just say.
Okay.
How can I get involved on the ground level, not just by purchasing the token, but additionally wanting to expand the offerings within your sector?
Yeah, we are now allowing the real estate brokers and also financial institutions to register in our platform, and then we will have our account manager to contact them to be our partner.
All right.
Yeah,
right.
so
we'll provide a link so that you can have people to reach out in the United States.
Exactly. Because we are now the enabler for real estate asset owner, developers, property agents, and also enabler for the financial institutions to invest in such kind of tokenization products.
Okay, I love it. I think this is going to be a very, very exciting sector.
Yeah.
It makes sense. Everything down to title, land ownership, and putting that on the blockchain is what I'm particularly fascinated
Yeah,
with.
yeah, because we solve two problems majorly. Because
let's go through the two major problems that you
yeah,
solve.
yeah, exactly. One is the for example, we split the large assets to like smaller one, so that you can buy in smaller money. Yeah, so this one major problem is solved. The other problem is actually the transfer of the the investment, which means it's the liquidity. Yeah, so that because we are now working with different exchange, including utility one, including security exchange, so that we will also invest into some exchange in the future. So that I think that's like a total solution in terms of the like assets tokenizing.
All right. So let's talk about, you have some very interesting phrases, and I want to ask you about this. On the HTC website, you have two in particular. First, transparency is the most important element for trust, right?
Yeah.
Is it only transparency, or is it, because just because you're transparent doesn't make you trustworthy, in my opinion.
Yeah.
In my opinion, just because you're transparent, it doesn't make you trustworthy. I can see who you're engaging with, but I may not know a little more about that company or why you chose that. Can you explain to me a little bit more? Is transparency going to contradict anonymity?
I think the transparency we are talking about here is regarding the real estate, like development and then management process. That I think traditionally in real estate market, there's not much transparency. Yeah, so that we are trying to put the transparency because of the blockchain.
Okay.
Yeah, so that regarding the utility ownership, like the rights transfer, and also for example the development stage of the real estate projects. Yeah, such kind of information we are going to put on the blockchain publicly. Okay. Yeah, so that's what we are solving as one of the major problems we are solving. Yeah.
And the second one. Our mission is to help every person to own and share their digital assets easily and gain from the share economy boost. My question for you, at what rate do you think these digital assets could or would grow? But even more importantly, do you think the average person is ready to take on the responsibility of the security of their own assets in this world? Do you think the world is ready for that right now?
Yeah, I think the world is ready for that. For example, the first phase of like sharing economy in terms of the like real estate is actually, for example, like Airbnb and also like WeWork, right? Yeah, but also if we would like to share assets before we are doing through like crowdfunding platform. Right. Yeah, that's the first phase. Yeah, but I think with the blockchain's help, it's like more easy to like transact. Right. Yeah, with each other. Okay. Yeah, so that we are enabling the real estate projects to go to blockchain, and they can sell to their like buyers, members, or investors by like tokens. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So that's another new wave of like sharing economy.
Okay. So. Congratulations, you've raised way more money than you. That's very nice in this world. I heard you speak earlier about the few stages in the future of the company. Can you walk me through how you're going to take that in the next 2 and 3 years and build out the company?
Yeah, sure. So I think we have already finished the first phase of the company setup, which means we have already got products, we got projects, we got different operation team. And because we are already having office in Beijing, Shanghai, Hong Kong, Japan, US, and also Europe, which is London. Okay, so that we can already cover different regions now. So the next phase is that we can ramp up the operation with different projects comes in, and then we can speed up the growth. And then this stage 2, that we are going to do it in the, for example, like next 9 to 12 months. Right. And then we can getting like more funding and also more projects to come in. And then after phase 2, and then we are going to like do the phase 3, which is like preparing for the go public for the company. Okay. Yeah, so that's our end goal.
And how long do you think that's going to take the public?
Actually, I have established a company that listed in Nasdaq last year, and then I used 8 years. Oh. Yeah, on that. Yeah, and I would like to use like half time this time.
All right. Yeah. Well,
that's my plan.
That's the plan. We'll see how this works out.
Okay.
And can you give the viewers some more detail regarding the projects and how you earn money from them? That's
yeah.
what we want to talk about.
Okay, the business model is actually quite simple. So we are the blockchain enabler for real estate company, so that they are going to pay us the service charge on tokenizing their assets.
Got it.
Yes, that's it. Very simple.
Short and sweet.
Very simple.
I love it. And we'll all be able to, after you liquidate these, we'll also be able to.
Of course. That's another kind of business, like monetization model. Yeah.
I'm loving this. And
Yeah,
thank you so much for joining us. Can't wait to see you up on the stage and speak more about this.
Yeah, sure. You're welcome.
Appreciate it.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.